Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete Carpet Cleaner. Okay, so we got some really bad stains, some chocolate syrup, grape juice, and some ketchup. So the first thing we can do is we can disconnect the spot chaser. And again, it's got a built-in battery. All I have to do is press this button and I can spray. That spot chaser works pretty good. I can spray these really bad stains with some of this concentrated solution. All right. Now let's put the handle back in. We're going to turn it on and we're going to start cleaning. And so when I go forward, it's putting solution down. And when I pull back, it's not putting solution down anymore. It rolls really easy. Now, if you go too slow, it gets a little confused. Not too bad though. Here I'm going really slow. It still says wash. Now again, if I just want to rinse it, I'm going to take the concentrated solution out. The water tank's filled with just water now. And now it's going to rinse the carpet. It's rinsing with just water. Okay, now let's go to dry only. It's not putting any solution down. We're only drying when we go forward and back. Turns easy. Okay, it did a really good job. How wet is it? People want to know. So let's put a towel down. You know, it's a little damp, but not too bad, actually. It does a pretty good job drying. And now it's very simple. That dirty water tank, we're just going to pull this handle up, take this over, release that latch, and we can get this all nice and clean. Okay, so this retails for about $250. Normally you can find it on sale for about $230. So the SmartWash worked. I know sometimes when you get these out of the box, that SmartWash doesn't work the best. But even kind of going really slow, it did switch between wash and dry. That's very important because the machine is figuring that out. There's no button, so it's kind of an automatic thing. It can sense when it's going forward and when it's going back. I like that you can take this all apart, get it all nice and clean, take the roller brushes out. And this solution worked amazing. I've never seen that type of solution before. Now, I think why it works so good is it got oxy in it. That did seem to be like foaming up a little bit, helping with the stain. But this pre-treat and wand refill, again, I've never seen this in the store, but this is actually really good solution that pre-treated that stain. Amazing. So would I spend about $250 on this? Yes, I would. I did buy this with my own money. You can save a little bit of money by buying used off of Amazon. Sometimes I do tend to have more problems with the used products on Amazon when are these carpet cleaners. So I bought this one used off of Amazon for about $180. I wish I'd have bought brand new. It does have one of the hooks is busted off of this part here, but it does seem to be working okay. So I will put a link to it underneath the show description notes where you can purchase this. The product won't cost you anymore, but I do get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of supporting my channel. Now I'm going to be doing comparisons with other Hoover carpet cleaners. I've got the other Hoover SmartWash I'll be comparing it to, and some Bissell carpet cleaners. Be sure and check out my Instagram page, Just a Dad Videos on Instagram. If you could hit a follow over there, I really appreciate it. I'm also on TikTok and I have a Facebook group page. Again, really appreciate everybody's support. If you could hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.